Hey everyone, welcome back. If the interface e-transfer is not working in the TD app, first confirm that the service is not temporarily down by checking the TD notifications. Next, head over to your Next, make sure that you have sufficient funds in your account to complete the transfer. Check that the recipient email or phone number is endorsed correctly. Then, if you're using auto deposit, ensure that it is properly enabled. If the transfer continues to fail, log out and log back into the app or contact TD support for assistance, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.